Okay, I'm back. I had to adjust my light for a second. But anyway, so I'm going to turn it on. I have it on at the disconnect on the wall, and I'm going to hit the safety switch here to test the motor. And let's see. Gotta give a second for the burners to turn on and all that kind of good stuff. So, but shortly the motor should come on after that. Also, while we're waiting on the motor to start, you will notice there's a lot of soot built up right here in this area of the furnace. So, all right, those are burners. You can hear that loud noise. That's what's being heard downstairs throughout the house. The motor needs to be replaced. And actually, I recommend replacing the whole entire furnace because it's probably going to be more damage, and something else is going to break probably within the next year or two. All right, there it is.